Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I present this presentation, may I introduce myself? My name is Aditya Wibasamudra. I live in Bandung. In this presentation and this research, our group in title research is the role of Puskesmas Cugenang in improving public health in Cugenang District Cianjur Regency Group 1. The research group member is me, Little Samudra, and Bertin Tandi, and Dr. Dodi Abdul Hakim. The content in this presentation is A. Introduction, B. Literature, C. Method, and D. Result. Okay. Introduction. Number one. Environmental health development is inseparable from national development, which encompass all aspects of national life, based on very sustainable, targeted, and integrated sector. The most crucial aspect in this regard the development and cultivation of human resource. Uh, this means the national development can be achieved in accordance with the nation's ideals if it is carried out by intelligent and healthy individuals. Number two, the level of public can be assessed from our four factor. One is environmental factor, behavioral factor, health service factor, and hereditary. Yeah. Of this four factor environmental factor is the most influential among improving the public health. Okay. The improving the public health will only successful in is carried out comprehensive approach to address the various factor in influence each other. This according to the system approach that support health as a subsystem that interact with each other. And the health system itself is part of other supersystem in national development. Therefore, the national health system is system whose demands reflect the efforts of the Indonesian nations to improve the ability achieve optimal health as a manifestation of the welfare of the wider community. Health efforts are essentially for the implementation of health in Indonesian's nation to achieve a better and healthier life for every citizen in order to realize a good and optimal level of public health improvement of the health service and improvement of public nutrition requires preventive and curative health improvement for the people by bringing health service to the community, adding community health service centers in region, even in remote areas. Uh, Health development is implemented within the framework of the national development whose goals is realize a just and prosperous society that is materially that spiritually equitable based on Pancasila within the framework of the Republic of Indonesia, which is independent, sovereign, united, and sovereign of the people in peaceful, peaceful, orderly, and dynamic atmosphere of life and in a free, friendly, underlie and peaceful world social environment. And number three is uh, to realize the goals and health problem. Various health indicator, the level of public health is the target of achieving health development, such as person life expectancy, and thus it is necessary to shift orientation from curative preventive from curative to promotive preventive in solving health problems. So that's this change will affect the acceleration of achieving of overall the development target. Oh, okay. To achieve this goal, a sound health development strategy can be developed the align with overall health development with promotive and preventive health service effort, taking into account geographic reach and community health center, in this case, the Puskesmas or Pustu have been designated as a spearhead the health development. In this regard, community health center or Puskesmas play a crucial role, which can be broken into three functions of Puskesmas. Uh, is as a service center, uh, meaning organizing at least 18 essential health activities as a professional intervention effort to address health issue. And number two, as a center for community participation in health sector. Number three, as a regional general hospital. The health development is implementation for health efforts by Indonesian nation to increase awareness, willingness, and ability to live healthy for everyone. There be achieving optimal public health. The goal of health development carried out carried out by community health center or puskesmas is to support the achievement the national health development. Namely is increasing awareness, willingness, ability to live a healthy life for everyone residing in the puskesmas work area. Okay, next. In carrying out these activities, the community health center the community health center naturally face many problems. Therefore, in this study, we attempt to inventory the problems at the Cugenang Community Health Center or Puskesmas Cugenang, particularly those relate to environment healthy. Namely, is number one, what is the role of community health center in improving environment health? Number two, what obstacles have been encountered that prevent community health center from fully contributing to improving environmental health. Sorry. Nah, okay. The literature study. Okay. The Surjono Soekarto explained the meaning of a role as a dynamic aspect of position or status that if one exercises his right and obligation according to his position, then he is carrying out the role. Okay. From the above opinion, a role can also be called a process carried out using systematic method and carried out by professional people in carrying out the tasks and responsibilities that have been assigned to them. These relate to community health center or puskesmas, which play a role in healthcare by carrying out the tasks as concrete action, which also represent a dynamic implementation of tasks based on their position, as it is understood that this role is absolutely necessary and must be carried out according to expectation. In everyday life, community health center puskesmas are widely known as places where people who are sick or unwell can obtain health service. Therefore, the community health center exists within the community and provide health service to those in need according their authority and responsibility. The Anjro Anwar explained the environmental health refers to reciprocal relationship between humans and environment, which impact and influence human health. According to this definition, the influence of human health refers to environmental conditions that contribute to physical and mental health. Consequently, environmental conditions need be managed by relevant parties to promote clean and healthy environmental development and be supported by a variety of environmental health infrastructure that meets community need. Okay. From a formal legal interpretive accordance with applicable laws and regulation, environmental health thus relate to or public health are the responsibility, okay, of the puskesmas. The definition of public health according to the Haki Foundation formulations, namely public health is the science and art of preventing disease to be able to prolong life and improve health efficiency through organizing community empowerment. In this definition, explain the public health is the ability power and method is out carrying out various activities with various effort to prevent disease, and also adds that implementation of the community needs to be followed with the organization and empowerment of the community and clarify in improving environmental health by increasing the health level the community itself, which can be done by the public health center or puskesmas with proactive community participant. Slide next. The method in this study employed qualitative research according Purwandari qualitative qualitative research is research that produce and process descriptive data, such as interview transcription, field notes, drawing, photograph, and uh, so on. This qualitative study collect data from writer source such as books, journal, and document, as well as interview with health cadres in the assisted village, and then analyze the data descriptively. The result, number one, based on research data, visit to assist village by community health center or puskesmas staff average one every 2 months. Visit should be conducted at least once a month. This is due to the limited number of staff handling environmental health. There are only two staff, while at least four should be required. Number two, improving the quality of outreach is an approach to raise public awareness regarding environmental health facility improvement. This outreach activities should be conducted by at least once a month, but the community ability to improve environmental health facilities is limited. Visits are conducted on average every 3 to 4 months. Procuring print media and providing information through other means is one way to increase public knowledge regarding environmental health facilities. Procurement of print media and information through other means is one way to increase public awareness regarding environmental health facilities. Procurement to print media has been implemented. And the last number, providing guidance and training to cadres is assisted. Village is one of the community health centers that is in improving environmental health. This education and training should be provided at least once a year. In reality, research data show that education and training are sometimes provided only once every 2 or 3 years. This is due to limit funding for education and training for village cadres and mentors. Several factors hinder the Cugenang Community Health Center or Puskesmas Cugenang from fulfilling its role is improving health. These obstacles include one, limited personnel at the Cugenang Community Health Center in Cianjur Regency who handle environmental health. And number two, limited to funding for improving environmental health and the limited quality of its outreach provided the community. The problem is limited personnel and limited funding from for improving environmental health. The conclusions is the Suganang Community Health Center or Puskesmas Suganang has implemented activities to improve environmental health, but these efforts have not been optimal. This is due to various constraints preventing the community health centers from maximizing uh, maximizing its role. Obstacle to effort to improve environmental health is implemented by the Cugenang Puskesmas include limiting personnel and limiting the funding. Going forward, the health office hope to increase the number personnel in charge of health so that environmental health outreach can be improved and the community better understand the importance of maintaining environmental health. The local government should increase funding, particularly for sanitation and environmental health, at each community health center in work area. The quality of outreach at each community health center or each Puskesmas is needed to ensure the community maintains environmental health. And this reference for our research. And thanks you, hatur nuhun for attention. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.